Number 7, this one is all set up for us already. We've got sine squared and sine, everything's in terms of sine. It's equal to 0. It looks like a quadratic. We can factor this and then solve for there. So we need two binomials that we can multiply together and get that. So we know that the only way to make that is 1 and 1. For sine, we can have 4 sine times 1 sine, or we can have 2 sine x times 2 sine x. Either one of those would give us 4 sine squared x. So, but we want them to add to -4. So if they're multiplying to a positive and adding to a negative, we know both of these have got to be negative. And then in order to add to 4, we need both of these to be 2 sine x. And now we're multiplying two things together and getting 0. The 0 product property tells us that one of these two things is equal to 0. And notice that they're both the same. So we can just say now that 2 sine x is equal, or minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's move that 1 over to the other side. So this will be 2 sine x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. We get sine of x is equal to 1/2. And now we just need to look on our unit circle and see where is sine equal to 1/2. And that's going to be where x is equal to pi over 6, or when x is equal to 5 pi over 6. And those will be our two answers that are between 0 and 2 pi.